today I'm here with Klaiyi here once more. Oh my gosh, they changed their packaging up. Everything is in green now. I got this drawstring bag with the box inside, and I also got this right here. So first of all, let's see what's in here. Looks like I'm getting another robe. Okay. So Klaiyi here is the second company to send me a goodie robe. It's branded Klaiyi. This is a nice money green robe. Love that. Love that for me. Okay. Really nice. So thank you, Klaiyi here. Got that nice robe. Alright. I love how the company them promote like this soft girl life, you know? Like you put on your wig, you look nice, you know, and you just like have your robe on, relaxing, you know, drinking hot chocolate. Love that. So of course, you know, the packaging is branded, and I see the wig as I open the box. Also, I see my goodies on the inside. So let's see what those are. All right. I have this pattern elastic band. I have this wig cap. I have a pair of lashes. And I have lastly in the bag a brush. I have another elastic band, and this is branded Klaiyi. Oh my gosh, I got one more of these wig caps, and I told you guys about this wig cap in a previous video that these wig caps are trending, and I'm so happy that I'm getting them to stock up on them because listen, I used one of them the other day for a ball cap install. Listen, it was immaculate, top tier. Love it. So that's everything in the box. So what we got here today, right? This is a 13 by 4 20-inch highlight blonde kinky lace front wig. All right, so this is how it looks. Yes, as you can see, it's that nice highlight vibe, and it's a kinky texture. Now let me tell you, this is the first like colored kinky texture wig that I'm actually going to install. I've never gotten a kinky textured wig that is colored. Everything has always been a 1B. So Klaiyi is actually versatile with switching it up for me, and that allows me to once more bring you guys variety. You know, we love that over here. When I like the one style something, we love when you can switch up your look a bunch of times. So this is doing that. So if you love a bit kinky texture but you want a different color, this is your wig. So as I said, this is a 13 by 4 lace front. This is how the inside looks. It has an extra like elastic band on the inside. It also have combs on the inside. There are 3, and also adjustable straps in the back. This did come pre-plucked. That's how it looks. And yeah, the hair, you know, it's a standard feel with the kinky vibe. It feels like that standard coarse vibe. So you could go in and straighten this, and I feel like we're gonna get this straighter today to just, you know, see how it looks. So yeah, as I said, this is 20 inches. In terms of the density, I'm going to definitely put that in the description box, but it does feel super thick. Like this is probably at 180 or so. It feels really full, so that's good, and it's full to the tips. So now that we've seen all about the wig, let's go ahead and jump into installing this. It's not that long past my ears, so I don't have a lot. To like cut away. Just have to get the hair out the way. Okay. So, and I'm gonna be using Got To Be for my install. So it feels like I'm very much just going to cut away just the extra lace. Like I don't have to cut off any of the hair on this side. So that, and it's a medium cap by the way, but this is definitely feeling like one of those smaller mediums based on the fact that I didn't have to cut off much. I'm just using some got-to-be gel for the edges. First, I'm going to just use my hot comb, right? Get my wax stick. This is so giving a Beyonce vibe. The hair color, everything. The way they highlighted it, definitely giving that Beyonce vibe. So I'm just gonna go through the top there with my hot comb, and I really want to embrace the texture, but you know, because it kind of has like a bend in it here, I kind of just want to run through it with my flat iron so we can have it looking a little bit more, you know, groomed and not so out of place. So I'm not going for a super detail like run through with the hot comb because I still want to keep the volume and stuff. But look at that, it looks so realistic. It looks really good. So I'm just gonna get my fire. So I'm gonna do a little pullback vibe. So like, just to let you guys know, yes, I'm getting shedding. It's a little bit more than I would like, and I feel like that's because of, you know, the processing that this went through and stuff. So, you know, make note of that. I'm just gonna take my time because you see, because it's the texture is thick, like it's really thick, you have to take your time to kind of just go through this with your flat iron if you decide to flat iron it. But this is a very thick texture. This is mimicking like a 4C texture when you get a like fresh blowout. So, you know, you want to tame this a little bit more because you don't want it to become like very matted and hard to manage. So this is very nice. But I love the realistic texture, you know. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know my heartbeat needed skipping out, no I can't keep score when I lose my breath, boy you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you see the difference versus this side. If I was supposed to just leave it, it's way more tamed, and I love the volume. I love the volume. It was really easy, but it's giving very like thick and healthy. That's the look that it's giving, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. This is how we're looking, guys. Very full to the tip. As I straightened it, like I got a few strands, as I told you before, with, you know, as far as shedding is concerned. So please know that. But look at this. The flow is really nice, really nice. That's beautiful. and I didn't want it to be too flat because I wanted to keep that voluminous look. It's really nice, like the color job, everything. They did a real good job with that, so I am pleased. As I said, they plucked it really nicely as well. It looks very realistic. I think I want to like just pull back the top portion here a little bit. So that's how it looks. Really nice. So go ahead and check out my description box. That's where I'll put the specifications of the wig, and you could also go ahead and purchase this wig if you're interested in it, because the direction link will be listed there as well. Klaiyi job, I feel like they did a great job. I feel like they did a good job with this wig. The only thing I do is minimize the shedding, but I do know that it's because of the processing at the same time, but I still wish it was a little less shedding. But apart from that, it's definitely a go. Like, it's really pretty, really pretty. If you're going for a vibe like this, for whatever occasion it is, it's beautiful. It's really gorgeous. So yeah, that's it for today's wig look, guys. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, and don't forget to go ahead and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Like this video. Also check me out on my Vlogmas series at PETITE-SUE TV. And that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Shout out to Klaiyi here once more, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.